Alrighty, everybody. I've got a very special package from Sam, or the Balisong Traveler. He sent out something in this box. It arrived today. So I'm gonna open it up today. I will. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's covered in tape. Okay, let's see. The struggle. Actually, let's do this way first. It's hard to do this with one hand. There's a lot of tape. It's hard to do this. Holy. Yeah, it's thick. Okay, one second. Okay, I got. Did I just cut the cardboard? Or what the? Oh, come on. It cannot take this long to open. There we go. Okay. Okay, I got the side open, so now let's try to rip it. Oh, there we go. And then I threw my phone. Okay, there we go. Okay, my finger. Okay. Lots of paper. Ho ho ho. In an alligator skin box. And yeah, that's it. Alright. Okay. In this box is a Balisong. I actually really like that box. It's actually really nice. I've never seen that before. Okay. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's really awkward opening it this way. Okay, 2 minutes and I have the box open. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Oh, there's a note. 1 second. Okay, there we go. What's up, William? This ain't a Nami, but it's still pretty dang cool. Prepare to flip the Falcon, a completely custom Lego Balisong. Try swapping out blade for a handle bias flipping experience. P.S. I know you don't have 1,000 subs, but you still deserve this. Have fun and up the awesome parkour. That is sick. Absolutely do not lube or Loctite. The pivots will loosen while flipping over time. I loosened them as much as possible before sending. Okay, that's cool. I mean, it is expected. It is a Lego Balisong. This is sick. Okay. That is cool. Okay, so it's a Chanwich design. I love the slap that it makes. Oh, and there's different blades. I assume this one's lighter. That's cool. That's actually really cool. Whoa. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can do some tricks. Oh. 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 It is very big, which is expected. The slap that it makes is so funny. That's cool. Oh, actually, let's see if I... So he did loosen it a bit, but if I loosen it a bit... Oh, not even in frame. Okay, like sort of loosen that. Actually, let's do this because it's really big. Like, that's that. And let's say just compared to the Mako, it's that much longer, which is pretty cool. This is a sick Balisong. Oh, let's go. Oh. This is a very special addition to the collection. Oh, actually, let's see. Can I actually do some tricks? Oh. Fans, I mean, okay, it is Lego. I don't expect it to be able to really do anything. Oh, let's go Z-Choker. Let's try aerialing this thing. This is sick. This is genuinely, absolutely just amazing. This is sick. I love it. Okay, let's try out the other blade. So, I assume... Okay. So I just take off this piece and these two pieces. I'll lay them in the order that I took them off in. And then I just take that off. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, so I take that off and that off. And then the blade just comes off. I slap this one in. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this blade is much lighter. Okay, now we put it back together. I like how the pivots are basically like in the blade. So like the handles and the blades, but the pivots are like there. I just find that so cool. Okay, there we go. It's back together. This thing is just amazing. Let's see. Can I Murnax ladder it? Of course I can. Backhand fan? Oh, almost. Palm fan? Oh, okay. But yeah, this thing is cool. I think it's the best at rollovers, and well, the only downside with chaplains is that it can get stuck, but that's just because I guess just don't do chaplain after chaplain like this. But okay, this is sick. I love this. And this case is amazing. Okay, actually, I'll keep the blade, the excess stuff in there. I will not be lubing the Lego Balisong, and I won't put Loctite on it because there's no threads. It's fully Lego Balisong. This thing is sick, and I love the design too. On the front, it's got little blue stuff. Actually, you know what? I could probably customize this. I could use my own Lego, cover this thing in cool, colorful stuff and stuff like that. I could use this as a template to make stuff. This is sick. I'm having so much fun flipping this thing. Like, it's not the best flipper, obviously, because it's Lego. It's clunky and thick and plastic. Technically, this is my first plastic Balisong, then. This would be my first Balisong. Oh, okay, yeah, so you do need to keep this part, the pivot's loose, so it flips better. That's sick. This thing is sick. Thank you so much, Sam. Shout out to the Balisong Traveler. Go subscribe to him. Go give him the support he needs. He sent this out to a bunch of people, and I was luckily one of them. As the note said, I am not over 1,000 subs, but I am so blessed to have this. Sam, you're a real one, and I will never forget you. This is amazing. I love this. It's so fun. I'm going to be flipping this all day. You know what? Actually, I think the first thing I'm going to do is go experiment with it. I'm going to go put some Legos on it, put some cool little accessories on it. I mean, I could just make everything longer. I could make it thick. I could do all sorts of stuff. This is sick. So when he shot a text to me on Instagram, he said, I'm sending you a custom Balisong. I genuinely did not expect I didn't expect it to be a real Balisong, because I just think, I don't know, I expected it to be something fun, and this is fun. That's cool. I do like this blade. I mean, they're both sick. Actually, you know what? If I say switch this top black and blue, I'd be able to tell which side is the bite handle and which side is the safe handle. Or, yeah, which side. I guess I can just make it up. It's Lego, doesn't really matter. But yeah, this is sick. Thank you, Sam, so much. Everybody go show him support. And I will see you guys in the next one. I will actually upload a video of me putting cool stuff on this. Of me doing stuff to it. I love this. It's so fun. I can't put it down. Thanks, Sam.